Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites and then act. Make sure Virtualbox 6.1 or newer is installed and add the extension pack. Next, obtain a compatible Mac OS installer or recovery image. This is essential because Virtualbox needs a bootable image. Once done, reboot and enable VTX or AMDV in your host BIOS or UEFI so the VM can run 64-bit guests. Create a new VM with Apple Mac OS type. Allocate at least 4 GB RAM and 40 GB storage. Now you're ready for detailed configuration. Once the VM skeleton exists, you configure the complex middle steps that make Mac OS boot reliably. Change the chipset to ICH9, enable EFI firmware, and set the graphics controller to VMSVGA. These options match Mac OS expectations. Attach a SATA controller and create a VDI disk with dynamic or fixed size, then assign 2 or more CPUs and enable PAE/NX. Make sure to run the Virtualbox host only and VBox manage commands that set Mac OS-specific flags. This tweaks identifier. You now complete installation and handle common pitfalls. Boot the VM from your Mac OS installer image and open Disk Utility to format the virtual disk as apps or HFS+. Then run the installer. This can take time. After first boot, install any community drivers or alternatives to guest editions for better display and input. If the VM won't boot or the installer hangs, check EFI mode, increase RAM or CPUs, and reapply the VBox Manage configuration flags. These checks quickly resolve most boot and stability problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.